Hi everyone, my name is Adesh Mishra. I have completed Bachelor's of Technology in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Firoj Gandhi Institute of Engineering and Technology in 2023. After completing my BTech, I have came to Techpile and joined the apprenticeship program of full stack development in .NET with MVC framework. Now I am selected as a junior .NET developer in Campus Pro EdTech Private Limited, and I want to share my own experience which I found during this training. From the moment I stepped into Techpile training program, I was greeted with sense of a purpose and dedication. The curriculum is meticulously crafted to encompass both theoretical knowledge and practical in skill, to ensuring that students not only understand the concept but also gain hands-on experience that is very crucial for today's competitive job market. Finally, I would like to say that Techpile is not just a training institute, it is a catalyst for professional success and personal growth. Whether you are novice looking to break into the IT industry or seasoned professional seeking to upskill, so Techpile provides a perfect platform to turn your aspirations into reality. Join Techpile today and embark on a journey towards brighter and more prosperous future in a technology.